you can see from the James Bay Claims Area map, Rocktech's area, which is bordered in black, is a sizable piece of property. Immediately to the north of us is the area of Lithium One's drilling activities, where they have encountered significant success. They've conducted well over 1,200 meters of drilling, and combined they have shown mineralization of 64 meters grading at 1.65%, 46 meters grading about 1.8%, 34 meters grading 1.68. So we are excited about where our property is located. As mentioned earlier, we had undertaken a summer field program in 2009 on our Capowak lithium property in James Bay. You can see highlighted in yellow the average grade of our surface samples show 1.7% grades of lithium. Now let's speak a little bit about our Saint-Urbain titanium iron vanadium oxide property. This property was acquired in August 2008, in which we acquired 100% ownership of these properties. In total, we have 250 claims totaling 14,500 hectares near the town of Saint-Urbain. Associated with this property is excellent infrastructure. The nearest seaport is 11 kilometers south on the St. Lawrence Seaway, and the property is connected to a major highway and well connected by railway. Thus far, a fair amount of work has been completed by Rocktech Resources on this property. We have conducted prospecting, sampling, and geological mapping with surface sample assay results showing 42% titanium oxide, 53% iron oxide from our August 2008 fieldwork. From October 2008, we show results of 34% titanium oxide and 47% iron oxide. And from our field study in August of 2009, we show nearly 40% titanium oxide and 53% iron oxide and 0.4% vanadium oxide. Other work that we've conducted include the confirmation of historical work, conducting of preliminary 43-101 report, and aeromagnetic surveying that show 19 magnetic targets, a 9-kilometer long strong magnetic anomaly, well-developed fault network, and 2 geological fold networks. Our corporate objectives for the next 2 years include the development of our Ontario lithium property, exploration drilling to verify and build up the historical resource on the Georgia Lake Lithium Project. Second objective is to develop and commence exploration program for the James Bay Lithium Project. Third objective being to continue the evaluation of our Saint-Urbain titanium iron oxide and vanadium oxide property. And fourth, to analyze other lithium opportunities in addition to existing portfolio of hard rock lithium assets. Now, obviously, all the work that we are undertaking or planned requires financing, and our budget for our plans total $1.2 million leading up to June 30th of 2010. Broken down our plans for 2009 to 2010, our Georgia Lake exploration program for the balance of 2009 calendar year will require $300,000 of expenditure. For the first quarter of 2010, the Georgia Lake exploration program will require an additional $400,000. James Bay exploration program will require $250,000 in the first quarter of 2010, and the Saint-Urbain exploration program will require $250,000 up to the middle of June 2010, which brings us to a budgetary requirement of $1.2 million to June 30th of 2010. The company is currently undertaking a capital raise through form of equity. So total budgetary requirements to take us to June 30th is $1.2 million. The company is in the process right now of raising the required capital to take us through that period. Now, for the balance of 2010, we will require an additional $1 million, of which the funds will be utilized to further develop the Georgia Lake and James Bay projects. So in summary, the market for lithium currently is strong with excellent growth potential. The company is moving towards completing the acquisition of lithium project in northwest Ontario, where 33,000 meters of historical drilling has been completed. and there's an opportunity for us to fast-track a compliant 43-101 resource and build out a hard rock mine. Thirdly, the Kapawak lithium property adjacent to Lithium 1's Seer project, whose results to date is showing excellent exploration drilling success. Fourth, the Kapawak lithium property shows spodumene-bearing pegmatite, and surface samples are promising. Point 5, historically prospective and high-quality titanium oxide, iron oxide, and vanadium oxide property in Saint-Urbain. Point 6, the company is aggressively pursuing additional lithium properties in mining-friendly and politically stable countries. And lastly, the management and board of directors possesses technical and financial background for developing projects and junior exploration companies. That concludes our presentation. I want to thank you all for joining us and encourage all of you to take this opportunity and post any questions you may have about the company. For those of you who are watching this presentation at its scheduled time, please begin posting your questions now. For those of you watching this presentation outside of our scheduled times, please post your questions now and check back later for our responses. Thank you.